Holy shit. Pyramid Head!
Yeah, humans are barely sentient. Scientists have done studies, and their brains are like half the size of ours.
Holy shit, guys, atrodo žiauriai cool. Iš pradžių, kai pamačiau skateboard tipo, aš galvoju, kad šita mechanika bus lame, bet žiauriai cool.